Alright, you guys, I am back in a new location. So the first thing I see is a new face by Martha Stewart. I know, they creep people out for some odd reason. 20, I just find them fascinating. And this guy, he is 15. We have the Bat Candy Corn. It's not felt, it's like a little sandbag. $8.99. This one is actually really cute. It is a candle holder. He's like holding a top hat. That's kind of cute though. I like how they incorporated that. No idea on the price. Just kind of found him right here. But I did see a new pumpkin. Can we grab that? I'm calling him a hipster pumpkin. He belongs in a coffee house.
College bookstore.
I feel like if you have, you're like, oh, can you hold it straight? I was trying to get
it straight.
No, I'm just trying to take a pic. How much is he? 15.
15.
This guy fishing. I'm really am hoping Michaels brings some vintage decor. I keep checking in my Michaels for new items. Right now we just have like those raven and bat hanging planters, This one is a mummy one. We got bats and everything. Really cute. $25. Oh, that's kind of cool. The beaded one. $12.99. We also have the bat. 8. Is that a mummy pumpkin? Okay. I feel like this is a DIY. $12.99. I've actually seen people do the DIY mummy ghosts. The pumpkin ghosts. I only saw one of them. And it was a pumpkin with just like a sheet over it. And I don't know what store it was in, but everyone online is doing it. I'm like, yeah, that would be an easy one. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's not broken. Don't touch it. I saw it wobbling. I was like,
$16.99. That's a Martha one.
$29.99. Nothing new in like the big decor, but look at that ball pumpkin on top. We got the mummy, the cutout. This boo one's gonna be new for us.
Yeah, the pumpkin bench.
It does light up. No price. Oh, here's that Western one, 130 with this cowboy hat.
Which is neat.
Yeah, the bench. No idea. Can't tell you how much it is.
The price tag's gone.
Oh, look at that new spooky calendar. That's kind of cool. Never mind. I thought it was like connected to it. I thought it had bats on it. This is two different things. So we have the tin one and then the Martha Stewart calendar. Okay.
You see the tin one?
No, I saw that. It's 3 bats. Just a pumpkin one. Yeah. I was like, oh, that's a new calendar. Has like bat wings. 15 for that.
Sorry.
And that cat. That's more hipster guy. Boo with the bear. $8.
Here's a non-broken one.
I feel like I've seen this one. Oh, on the candle?
Yeah. See, this one's not broken.
That's cool looking, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this one. By Goblin and Gold. You got little dinosaurs. Ghost, Witch, the Mummy, 20. So Dalmatian dog with the pumpkin. $35. Kind of cool. I don't know if I've seen this tiny one. There is a bigger version, I believe. $12.99. It will light up. Oh yeah, that's what I was trying to look at the other day. At that one location. Oh, there's plenty of the hipster pumpkin. So you can't miss him. Oh, he's cute. He doesn't even need a handle. I just like it. Yeah. 15. Oh, they're in the spa. How funny. Spa ghost. That's so funny. I like this guy too. Oh, he's cute. $25. Little felt man. $12.99 on this ghost. The ghost. Let me walk down here. We got a Martha Stewart basic black pumpkin. $12.99. We got the orange, like the classic. Oh, the one with the skeleton guys coming out. That's pretty cool.
This one.
He's cool. I don't know why. He's 15. $25 for Coraline.
I've seen that movie.
All right, and then we get into fall. These are neat. I feel like I've been doing a lot of fall and Halloween combined, but there's just so much to look at. Every day in the fall, this department is something new.
It's like, ooh, spooky Brussels sprouts.
15. They're not Brussels sprouts. Those are 15. Rachel Zoe, $8 for the owl. More pumpkins. Is that a rock? No, it's like these are like little fruit gourds or something. But yeah, made in Peru. They say they're musical instruments when you read the tag, but I mean, you can use them for whatever you want. And look at that guy. It's like a nutcracker skeleton. It's kind of cool. I like how he looks cracked and burnt right here. It's kind of cool looking.
Scales.
And then look, topiary.
Huh.
I've never seen one of these that does light up.
Yay, it works. Let's see if
And
we
this
can-
guy, yeah, I don't see a price on him. The hat comes off, so you can put your dip in there. More of the stitch. This is really cute. It's a chip and dip one. I did share that before. Oh look, to match your bear cookie jars and your mugs, they have a little spoon rest. That's really cute. $5.99. Cute. It'll match everything. It's only a few of the bear mugs that I see, and I have yet to find the wizard frog because I want him. But look, they have a wizard in a cauldron. 17 by Strawberry Street. Okay, $17 for that one. I'm not gonna move stuff.
Because I thought, oh, your dad would like that. Oh, it's too big.
Oh, I found another bear spoon rest. I'll show you in a minute. He's 5. Can we hold? Oh,
Oh, yeah, sorry. I was looking at that pumpkin back there, Andy.
I'm looking. Oh, I move all that here. It's like way in the back. Look, they got a pumpkin one. So cute. $5.99. I'll just put him right here. It's like, there it goes. Just leave it there. This little fall one with a dog. Snoopy. We got like the mummy measuring cups. This one has a snake all around. Okay, they have quite a bit of the wizard guy. With a black cat one. Oh, I love how look at this. This is pretty cool. Over here, let me walk this way. It's $80, but look, we got like the crows right here. Let me pan in. Can we see that? They're like on the branches.
That's neat. It'd be cool if that cauldron had some handles on it.
Yeah. So it looks, I don't know if that's Halloweeny, but there's quite a few of these mushroom ones. They have like a pink hat too.
A unicorn looking dog reminds me of like the alien on the original Star Trek that was like a dog with a horn.
Just come together. I'm gonna make sure. $50. These are always nice to have, I think. Michael's doesn't even have Day of the Dead stuff. So I'm gonna scan this table here. I feel like most of this we might have seen. Okay, I have not seen this cat, the trick or treat one. There is one very similar that has the cat. I'm thinking of probably that one. That's like He looks very rough. $5.99.
Yeah. Reminds me of.
Then they have the large one right here.
There's that one cartoon with that mangy looking cat. Was it Tiny Toons?
Ooh. They have it in white. I never seen it in white. I've only seen the black one. So they're gonna be the same price. Well, let's see. It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. These are ceramic. Shoot. $5.99. Oh yeah, I think I like the white because you can see the ghost more. It's actually kind of cool looking. Okay, check out this candle. They always like new candles. This is $12.99.
That musty skeleton. I've seen
Isn't that
it.
kind of cool? $50 for this one. I would need 2 of those. Oh, I like that actually. I think I might like this one more than the bat. The black bat all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of detail. That's what I like about it. Okay, look at this. We got like a little marshmallow melting ghost. This one over here, he's like, I'm melting. Put out the flame. It's kind of funny. Pirates. I think actually, you know what's funny about this? These are 15. These are actually melted for real. From being in the container, but I feel like it gives it character. They should still half off them. These are like all these ghosts.
Like, kind of like that other guy. He's melted too.
But I feel like it gives it character.
Mm-hmm.
It's just really funny. That's funny to me. They're all melted. Yeah, it's hot. We're still getting hotter.
Oh, I could put that thing outside now to be a puddle. It's gonna be 117 this week.
It feels hot today. Oh no, I'm glad this guy didn't melt. He would look funny melted. 17. There's a skull one. Oh, look at the little friend. Got honey butter. Huh?
He looks melted, but he's not.
Oh, that guy, the stone guy? Yeah. Don't remember seeing this one, but it's 5. Oh, look at this one right here. Oh. Has like the ghost and the bat. 7. And can we pull out this black one in the back? Just don't drop anything. They also have everything here, like, oof. You know, I'll touch it.
Okay.
You drop stuff. I like this one. $5.99. I feel like this one would be my favorite. And they have everything to match it too. It's a funny one. They always got funny stuff here. Has a spoon and everything. 10. Fall kitchenware. Or, you know, Thanksgiving harvest. I don't know what you guys call it, but I've always called it Thanksgiving. $5.99.
What else would you call it?
Everyone changes it. Can you put that away? Oh gosh, please.
Time for great finds and everyday low prices. So what could be greater? Saving money on top of savings. Apply for our TJX Rewards credit card, and upon approval, get 10% off your purchase.
$30 right here.
Earning 5% back from
These might be
rewards for
$5.99.
Thank you so
If
much.
I could find it.
Homegoods.
Oh, I don't see a price on it.
I stick with tradition. It's Thanksgiving.
I call it Thanksgiving. Oh, look at this pumpkin. That's kind of cool. That's a cute one. 15. You have the salt and pepper shaker. And look at it has like the turkey tray.
Little drink charms.
Drink charms. Yeah, those are funny. Is that glass? It is. $4. I don't know what store had this, but it was more. I might have been the at-home store. I'm not too sure, but this is $4 here.
It almost looks
Cheap.
like a skull tiki.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. He's an ice bucket. Ugh, here's one with the bat. You know what? I like it. I don't like the face. I feel like the face, it looks too cartoony.
Yeah. You can probably Dremel that off.
70. But it's cool looking. Few cookie jars. $59.99. Oh, look, babe. You like those.
Oh, I love those. Let me see. I like owls. He reminds me of Archimedes. Sword in
15.
the Stone. He looks like him.
These are 8. The fall leaves. These are really pretty too. The owl
I know
jar.
before the Disney store
10.
closed, I always wanted to get that big stuffed Archimedes. I thought that was cool.
I still can't believe they closed it. 15. And then we have the turkey and the pumpkin. That's funny. There's all the pet decor, the Halloween, all the doggies. It's funny.
A lot of Frenchies this year.
Oh, I know.
If they would stop making them so popular, we could afford them.
This is actually perfect. I think it's $12.99. So again, if you're in college, they're 17. It's like a mesh. It buttons, it closes. You got pockets all around, pockets on the inside. So there's many options to choose from. This is perfect. We have small ones too if you just need a small one. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because it says like my time is up. Like my camera's just gonna shut off. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Look, we got Casper in here. The bear soap, 15. So I wonder if they're all 15. There's a lot of people here shopping for college. It's just like her dad and daughter kind of argue